Welcome back. Welcome to our day 3 of our road trip to Italy. After visiting Milan and some smaller coastal towns, we have headed down to Pisa. This is a hotel where we could have a good night's rest, and then I will take you along with us as we are walking towards the main attraction. We had a good rest in our hotel and now walk to the Leaning Tower of Pisa and see the cathedral. But let's see, it was raining the whole night. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much. It's not too far from our hotel. The room was itself very pretty.
Make sure.
Yeah. So this was the pretty one where we stayed. I never pre-book any hotels during our road trips. I book as we reach the place, and that way it's easier for us to navigate to go to the next place and plan our trip accordingly. What I like in Italy is this big, huge roads. Even the smaller roads are very nicely planned. I like the town planning here. It was nice walking, taking the sights of the smaller buildings and not so touristic areas. This is the third time I'm coming to Pisa, but this time with my daughter. There's some
Seems
major.
we're not the first ones.
What started off as a bell tower in the 12th century became the Leaning Tower of Pisa because the ground beneath it was soft and it started leaning while it was still being built. This has become one of the world's most recognizable landmarks. You know, they could easily fall inside in the grass. Next to the tower is the stunning Pisa Cathedral. We will be admiring the exterior a little bit and also stepping inside the cathedral to see its impressive arches artwork through the centuries of history. We will be visiting the Baptistery, which is the largest in Italy. You will also be hearing a demonstration of its incredible acoustics, where even a single voice fills the entire building with beautiful echoes. At the end, we will be visiting the Camposanto Monumentale. We are inside the Baptistery, and as you enter, you will see several features connected to Saint John the Baptist. This is the baptismal font in the center. There the baptisms were performed. Then you will also see statues and artwork depicting John the Baptist. And this is the centerpiece here. He has camel hair clothing, a long staff topped with a cross, a lamb symbolizing Jesus as the Lamb of God. Saint John the Baptist is significant because, according to the Gospels, he baptized Jesus in the Jordan River. This is why many baptisteries throughout Italy, including Pisa's, are dedicated to him. Another masterpiece inside the building is the famous pulpit by Nicola Pisano. This is carved between 1255 and 1260 AD. Its detailed marble reliefs depict scenes from the life of Christ and are considered among the finest works of medieval sculpture. We are now entering Camposanto Monumentale. This is behind the cathedral, which is a peaceful cloister and historic cemetery. It's a quiet spot for slowing down and appreciating the art, architecture, and stories that have been preserved here for hundreds of years. Despite its name, this is much more than a cemetery. It houses historic tombs, medieval frescoes, and centuries of artistic and religious heritage. We visited Museo dello Sinopie. You'll have to buy tickets for all of these places, and I didn't record the museum. We skipped climbing the tower because there was a long queue and the waiting time was really long. Thank you for joining us in the short tour of Pisa. See you in my next video. Bye.